Most iPhone users are still Googling everything and paying for apps they don't need. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 AI apps that are completely free, work right on your iPhone, and will actually change how you use your phone every single day. And no, ChatGPT is not number 1. Let's start with one most people completely overlook: Notion AI. Think of it as your personal assistant that lives inside your notes. You can dump any messy information in there: meeting notes, ideas, to-do lists, and Notion AI will organize it, summarize it, or turn it into an action plan in seconds. For example, I'll paste in a bunch of random notes here and just ask it to summarize this into 3 action items. Watch how fast this is. No reformatting, no copy pasting, it just does it. And the free plan is genuinely good. You get 20 AI responses per day, which is more than enough to start. Number 2 is Perplexity. And this one is quietly replacing Google for a lot of iPhone users. The difference? When you search something on Google, you get a list of links. With Perplexity, you get a direct answer with sources right there so you can verify it. Let me show you a real example. I'll ask, what's the best time to visit Japan? Google gives me 10 articles to click through. Perplexity gives me the answer immediately, broken down by season with sources underneath. It's faster, cleaner, and way more useful. Completely free on iPhone. Number 3 is Claude. And if you've never heard of it, this is the one that's been quietly beating ChatGPT at a lot of tasks. It's made by a company called Anthropic, and what makes it different is how it handles long, complex requests. Here's a real example. I'll paste in a long email thread and ask Claude to summarize the key points and tell me what action I need to take. Watch this. See how clean that is? It didn't just summarize. It told me exactly what to do next. This is where Claude really shines. Long documents, emails, contracts, anything with a lot of text. And just like the others, completely free to download. Number 4 is Google Gemini. And before you scroll past this one, hear me out. Most people downloaded it once and never opened it again. That's a mistake. What makes Gemini different in 2026 is how deep it connects with your iPhone. You can ask it to help you write an email, and it'll pull context from what you were already doing, or take a photo of anything, a product, a receipt, a menu, and ask Gemini a question about it. I'll take a photo of this receipt here and ask, is there anything on here I should question? And look at that. It broke it down line by line in seconds. Free, fast, and way more powerful than most people realize. And finally, number 5, yes, it's ChatGPT. I saved it for last because honestly, most people are already using it wrong. The mistake most people make is they just ask it questions like Google. But ChatGPT is way more powerful when you treat it like a thinking partner. Let me show you what I mean. Instead of asking what are good workout routines, try this. I'm a 35-year-old with 30 minutes a day, no gym access, and a bad knee. Build me a 4-week workout plan. Watch what happens. That's not a Google answer. That's a personal trainer in your pocket. And the voice mode makes it even better. Tap and hold the microphone and just talk to it. No typing needed. Free on your iPhone. Available 24/7. Here's a pro tip before we wrap up. Don't try to use all 5 of these at once. Start with one. Pick the one that solves your biggest daily problem. Notion AI if you're always drowning in notes. Perplexity if you're tired of Googling. Claude if you deal with a lot of text and emails. Gemini if you want to use your camera as an AI tool. And ChatGPT for everything else. So those are the 5 best free AI apps for iPhone in 2026. All free, all on your iPhone, all actually useful. Next video, I'm breaking down exactly how to use Perplexity AI on iPhone, because there are features in that app most people have never touched. Subscribe so you don't miss it. See you there.